Are you tired of finding text from printed documents? No more scrolling through pages and pages of text. Our app makes finding what you need easy. Introducing our revolutionary new app, the Live Text Vision. This cutting-edge app uses your mobile device's camera to scan printed documents in real time, making it easy to find the information you need, even in the smallest of text. Live Text Vision makes finding specific words or phrases a breeze. Simply open the app, point your camera at the document, and let our advanced text recognition technology do the rest. Our app is perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who needs to quickly find information in hard-to-read documents. Whether you're looking for a specific fact in a textbook, trying to find a piece of information in a contract, or just want to make your research process more efficient, Live Text Vision has got you covered. So why waste time and energy searching through pages of text by hand when you can have all the information you need at your fingertips in seconds? Try Live Text Vision today and experience the difference for yourself.